Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study very fast. We'll dive into powerful strategies that transform your learning process, helping you absorb information quickly and effectively. Forget endless hours of passive reading. Instead, we'll focus on smart, targeted approaches. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to cut your study time by at least one-half while boosting your comprehension and recall. Let's get started on mastering these essential skills. One of the most potent techniques is active recall. Instead of just rereading, actively try to retrieve information from your memory. For example, after reading a paragraph, close your book and try to summarize it aloud. Or use flashcards to quiz yourself on key terms and concepts. This process of pulling information from your brain, even if you struggle, significantly deepens your understanding and retention, making your study sessions far more productive. Next, let's talk about spaced repetition, a scientifically proven method to combat the forgetting curve. Instead of cramming, you review material at strategically increasing intervals. For instance, review new information after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, and so on. This ensures you revisit topics just as they're about to fade from memory, solidifying them into long-term retention. Tools like Anki can automate this process, making it incredibly efficient. Finally, maximizing your focus and optimizing your environment are crucial. Eliminate all distractions, put your phone away and close unnecessary tabs. Create a dedicated, quiet study space. Consider using the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. These short, intense bursts of concentration, repeated 4 times, can be far more productive than hours of distracted studying. Combine these methods for truly rapid learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.